Hey there, iPhone lovers! It's your Mendoza, Tech Talk with another video for you today. Today, we're going to be talking about the most notable flaws of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. While this is one of the most advanced smartphones on the market, it's not without its flaws, and it's essential to consider these before making a purchase decision. First off, let's talk about the price. As a female content creator, I know that we're always looking for the best deal when it comes to technology. The iPhone 14 Pro Max starts at a hefty $1,099, which may be out of reach for many people. While this is a premium device with many advanced features, it's important to consider your budget before making a purchase. Another common criticism of the iPhone 14 Pro Max is the lack of a headphone jack. This can be frustrating for those of us who still use wired headphones, especially if you're someone who is constantly on the go. While Apple provides an adapter for wired headphones, it's not always the most convenient option. As a content creator, I know how important storage is. The iPhone 14 Pro Max offers 3 storage options: 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB. While this may be enough for some users, others may find that it's not enough storage for their needs, especially if you're someone who takes a lot of photos or videos. In terms of color options, the iPhone 14 Pro Max comes in 4 different colors. While this may be enough for some people, I know that many of us love to have options when it comes to the appearance of our devices. It would be great to see more color options or even the ability to customize the device's appearance. One of the biggest changes with the iPhone 14 Pro Max is the lack of a charger or earbuds in the box. While Apple has argued that this is a step towards sustainability, it can be a frustrating experience for those of us who have come to expect these accessories in the box. As a female content creator, I know how important it is to keep our devices safe and secure. While the ceramic shield front cover of the iPhone 14 Pro Max is more durable and resistant to drops, the back glass of the device is still vulnerable to cracking or shattering if dropped or mishandled. Lastly, as someone who is always on the go, I know how important it is to have a device that can keep up with me. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is a heavy and bulky device, weighing in at 238 grams. This may make it less comfortable to hold or carry for extended periods, especially for those of us with smaller hands. Overall, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is an excellent device with many advanced features, but it's not without its flaws. As a female content creator, it's important to consider these flaws before making a purchase decision. Remember to consider your budget, storage needs, and your individual preferences before making a decision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.